In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to Amazon Prime. We'll move through the process from the official Amazon Prime page, sign in, choose the plan that fits you, add a payment method, and confirm your subscription. I'll also share a few simple tips to keep everything smooth and secure. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Amazon's official Prime page. Make sure you're on the correct regional Amazon site for your country, and look for the secure padlock in your address bar. Avoid third-party pages or pop-ups. You should always subscribe directly on Amazon. Once the page loads, sign in to your Amazon account. If you're already signed in, you'll see your name or account icon at the top. If you're prompted to sign in, enter your Amazon email and password as you normally would. If you're new to Amazon, you'll have the option to create an account during this step before continuing, and you can enable added security like two-step verification in your account settings later. On the Prime page, click the Join Prime button. Depending on your region and any promotions, it may say Start your free trial or Try Prime. This takes you to the membership options. Take a moment here to read what's included, such as free shipping, streaming, and other benefits available in your country. Next, select your preferred membership plan. Most regions offer monthly and annual options, and some may display promotional trials or discounted plans for eligible groups. Choose the plan that matches your budget and how you'll use Prime. If a trial is available, note when it converts to a paid membership so you can plan ahead. You'll now enter your payment details. You can typically use a major credit or debit card, and in some regions, other payment methods are available. Make sure the billing address matches what your bank has on file to avoid declines. Double check the card number, expiration date, and security code before continuing. Keep your account secure and never share your password or verification codes with anyone. Before you finalize, review the order summary. Confirm the plan you selected, the renewal schedule, and any taxes or fees shown. When everything looks correct, confirm your subscription. You should see a confirmation screen and receive an email with your membership details. From here, you can start using Prime immediately. If you joined with a trial, consider setting a reminder for the renewal date. And if you ever need to manage or cancel your membership, you can do that in your account under your Prime membership. That's it. Your Amazon Prime subscription is now active. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new benefits.